Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the settings, then to the network and internet, and here you can find hotspot and tethering. Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to it. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. Here you can change its AP band. You can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and yeah, that's all settings for it. After you enable it once, this button will appear here in the upper bar, and now you can just switch hotspot here like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.